Question number 59. Two bodies collide on a horizontal frictionless surface. Body X of mass 2 kg moves with the initial speed of 0.8. It is going at a speed of 0.8. Then body Y is initially stationary. Again, a 2 dimension. How do I know 2 dimensions? You see, this ball is here, and this ball is now coming and hitting over here. Center of this is now colliding with the the side of this ball. These centers are not exactly along the same line, so it's a 2 dimension. Okay, body Y is initially stationary. After the collision, body X moves at an angle of 90 degrees, so it moves like this, and body Y moves like this. Okay, so what is in the question? What is the magnitude of the momentum of the body Y after the collision? You need to find out what is the momentum of. How do we do it? Now, as you know, in a 2 dimension, you can equate the X component of the momentum, Y components of the momentum. Okay, so don't equate directly P1, P before collision, and P after collision. That's not correct. So you should do it like this. So therefore, now what is the momentum before collision? This should be 2 into 0.8. What is this along? This is nothing but your Px. Now what should I do? I should now equate this Px for the Px of this body, right? So therefore, if this is now moving like this, and I do not know what is the mass of this object, let me keep this mass over here. There is this velocity Bv over here. So totally, I can say momentum is Po. If this makes an angle theta with respect to x-axis, I can now resolve this in 2 parts. Along this direction, I can now write p cos theta, and along downward direction, I can now write this as p sin theta. Now it becomes easy for me. I can just equate it. I can now write 2 into 0.8 is equal to p cos theta, and this is once again 2 into 0.6 is equal to p sin theta. Now what do I need here? I need the value of p, right? I don't need this theta over, because that is what has been asked. So the question, see, what is the magnitude of the momentum of the body Y after the collision? I need only the value of p. So what should I do? I should just square and add them. So how do I square and add them? Square this one, and add them together. If I do it, what will happen? I can easily eliminate the value of sin theta and cos. Let us do this. So I will write p square cos squared theta is equal to 2 square into 0.8 the whole square. Similarly, I write p square sin squared theta is equal to 2 square to 0.60. Now let me add both of them. When I add, what will happen? P square into cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is equal to 2 square into 0.8 square plus 0.6 square. 0.6. Right? It should now be, what is cos square plus theta plus sin square theta? Trigonometric identity. It should be p square. P square should now be equal to 2 square. The 0.8 square is 0.64. 0.6 square is 0.36. Now when I add these two, it will become 2 square into 1 over. Add, right? So which should now be equal to 2 square, and p should be equal to 2. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 kg per capacity. Okay, so with this I think we have come to an end to all the 59 questions. So all these questions have been uploaded in the playlist. Okay, but this time what I have done is, it is not in one playlist, it has been bifurcated or divided into several playlists. Okay, fine. Thank you.